you how to play As Time Goes By. That's the Play It Again Sam song from the movie Casablanca. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the intro. The intro, you're going to go C, G, open 5th, E, B, open 5th, F, C, open 5th, G, D. Now on the right hand, you're going to fill in the chords. It'll be a C major 7th, it'll be an E minor 7th, it'll be an F major 7th, and it'll be a G 7th. So the way we'll do that is we'll play this in the right hand: E, G, B, G, B, D, F, A, C, E, and F, G, B. I'll go slowly. Now putting them together, I'll go slowly too, so you can see. And then we'll go right into the melody. E, F, E, D, C, D, E, G, F, E, D, F, G, C, B, A, G, A, B, D, C, B, A, B, C, G, G, C, D, E. And the second verse is same thing. Now then you get to the bridge and it's A, A, G, A, A, C, A, B flat, A, G, A, G, A, B flat, A, G, A, C, 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 E, C, C, B, C, D, C, G, G, D, E, G. Now the music track is in the key of D flat, and some of the artists have done this in the key of C. So I'm doing it in the key of C. It's a little easier to play and it's a little more accessible. Now when we put the left hand with it, we're going to go D, F, A D minor chord, G, B, D, F, a G7, back to D, F, and A, G, B, D. Then we're going to go to a C major 7th, C, E, G, so C, E, G, B, A, C, E, G. That's going to be an A minor chord, that's a 7th, A, C, E, G, E, G, B, D, E minor, 7th, and then hit that G, B, D twice. And we'll end it with an A minor, with the A in the middle, A, C, E. We'll bring that E down there and keep that in the middle. So the left hand will be like this. I'll go slowly. To E, G, B, D. Let's put the melody in with it. Now the left hand's going to change. You're going to go D to a D major 7th, D, F sharp, A, C. So it's a D7 chord, and it's a major chord. D, F sharp, A. On a major chord is white, black, white. On D, and we just add the 7th. Back to the G7. Then back to the C major 7th, A7, D7, D minor 7. So nothing new there, except we do throw a D major in there. And you don't have to hit that chord twice if it gets in the way, but it sounds cool if it's just a filler there. Then we're back to the same thing. going to go to a C because we're getting ready for the bridge. So you've got a C7, C major 7, then F, C, and E. Just leave out the A. It sounds growly if you put the A in there. So just play the F, the C, and the E. Then a C major triad, C, E, and G, and then hit the C7, a regular C7. Now the C7 will lead you to an F chord. So we're setting that up with that C7 to go to the F arpeggio, then A7 arpeggio, D minor, back to the F, A, C, and this time add the 7th, the major 7th. Then we go A, C, E, G, A minor, 7th. There's your D major again, and the G chord, G, B, and D. And with this G7, you lead right back to the D minor, right there. So, the bridge. So let's start just before the... Now there you can go down to the F, but I like it up here. So you're going from the F, A, C, a little brighter if you get up in this range, down to the E, C sharp, E, G, D, F, and A. Now go up to the F, A, C, E, and just hit that E ever so lightly. Hold that as long as you feel it, and then we go right into the third verse. Now the only difference with the third verse is you're going to have an extra note in there. Right there. You're going to have 2 Ds and then 2 Fs to match the words. Here's where it changes. It just stays on the G, 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 G. And a lot of artists sing this and they change the melodies just a little bit. So if you've got a favorite artist that you want to imitate their melody, you can right there. But I kept the melody pretty basic. G, 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 G. And there we go to a C7 right there, C major 7. And then this is just like it is up there at before the bridge, because we're setting up for the bridge again. So there you can go up to the G, but if you do, you got to get off to the D right there, or you can go down to the G. I kind of like it better to go down there, so you decide on that one. The tag, we go right back and we play that third verse reprise again. So we just play the same thing as we just played. Now here, it's starting to slow it down just a little bit because you're getting ready to end it. what I would do there is just arpeggiate the left hand with a C major 7th chord, and then you're on this C right here. Change your fingers because you're going. So you change those fingers so that you got a thumb right there, and then just roll that very slowly. E, G, B. There you have it. Play it again, Sam, as time goes by from the movie Casablanca. I hope you enjoy playing it.